Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Let's get this money, people. All right, watch me work. Watch me work right here. It's gonna be a PaidViewPoints right here. PaidViewPoints tutorial. All right, I'm about to just dive into it. I got 4 surveys here. 1428, $153.95 year to date. Earnings $709.15. People, 100% free. You have to understand this, people. Like, you have to start getting serious and understanding, like, it's free, people. To do these surveys take 2 minutes, 3 minutes. There should be no reason. There should be no reason you shouldn't get in here and start banging these surveys out and doing what you gotta do on an every single day basis, alright? Now, we're gonna just dive straight into it here. 4 surveys available. Let's go. Let's see if I can open this survey up. Remember, people, this is a PaidViewPoints tutorial. Alright. Earnings $14.28. All I need is 72 cents to cash out. Alright. You got to get your TraitScore to 10,000. Alright. And still, even after that, you're still not going to get a lot. Just continue to use it. They're going to start sending you flurries of surveys. Don't you see what I'm doing? Don't you see how many surveys they're sending me? Alright, people. So it's on you on an every single day basis. And what I'm about to start doing is I'm about to start documenting and recording every single survey I do, because I think you guys just take for granted 50 cents, $1, $2, $3. Like, you guys cannot disrespect 50 cents, $1, $2, $3. It's free money, people. It's 100% free. It's not bothering you. We're not rich yet, right? We're not wealthy yet, right? We don't have 7, 10, 15 streams of income yet, right? So we still got 9 to 5. You know what I'm saying? Like, so if all this is happening to you, you have to use my system. Like, there's just no reason you should, right? But if you got your own thing going, then do your thing, right? But if you need something on the side, fast, easy, smooth, start getting on it. All right, people? Your household income. All right? Like I said, people, this is why I love this. All right? I'm doing the survey live with you guys. I always put between you make 100,000 and 200,000. At least 100 and up. Always put that. All right, people? My mouse is acting up a little bit. Is it over there? Let me see if I grab my mouse. It'll be faster for this survey. My bad, y'all. Get in here. It was raining all crazy, and now it ended up being a beautiful day, which is pretty cool. My dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Pops. Alright, made another video. Me and Lil Man about to make a video for him and send it to him. Which of the following brands of laundry detergents you typically use? All right. Let's see. Game. Okay. Have you ever been on a cruise? Yes. Which of the following have you purchased fresh, not frozen? Oh. Do you have a working television at home? Yes. Now, see, if you put no right here, you're gonna be like, they're gonna disqualify you. You understand? This is a DQ question right here. This is a disqualification question right here. All right, people. That's why you have to pay attention. Do you have a desire to quit smoking cigarettes? Yes. How often do you buy? I don't even smoke cigarettes, but I put that because I want to see it might be cigarette surveys. I've done a lot of cigarette surveys. How often do you buy athletic footwear? Obviously, all the time. Okay, this one. All right, this survey I think opened up. Let's see what it says to see if I could be able to record it or not. If you participate in the survey, you may be shown certain confidential information in this property of major manufacturer. This information may include, but is not limited to, experimental concepts, marketing, advertising, and creative strategies, plans, and product names. Therefore, if you are selected to participate in this study, do you agree that you will neither use nor disclose any other person or entity any of the information provided to you in the survey? By selecting I agree below, you signify that you have read and understand and agree with these terms. All right? So this is basically saying you cannot record this survey, which means very good, because this means I open the survey up. All right, people? So I'm going to come back in this video. I'm going to try to bang the survey out as fast as I can. I'm going to come back into the survey, and you're going to see how much I got for it. All right, people? All right, I'm back. I would have finished way faster. The little man woke up real quick, put him down, and then my parents just walked in. My pop's birthday. All right, about to chill, celebrate, have some fun. Like you said, see, $1.22 for the survey, people. Already able to cash out. This is why I tell you guys, you have to pay attention to what I'm doing on an every single day basis, people. I'm really trying to help my team out there every single day, people. Every single day I'm trying to help you guys out on an every single day basis, all right? So now it's on you on a daily basis to really start getting with it. Like on an every single day basis to really start understanding that you can earn this money. I just made $1.22. I know it's nothing. I know it's not going to make us rich, but it still adds on to the sum total, people. All right. So let me just click this right here. It still adds on to here. That's all that I care about. All that I care about, people. Lifetime earnings. Just continue to just keep it coming in. All right. Like once you really get established, the thing is you're going to be able to use these and you're not going to spend it. So you would have an account right now, a PaidViewPoint account separated from all your other accounts, and you would have $710 sitting in it. Whether you'll cash out or PaidViewPoints into your PayPal account, take that from your PayPal account and put it into one of your separate accounts. $710. All right, people. So this is free online money every single day you could earn from here. It's just on you on a daily basis. Are you going to continue to put that work on every single day? All right. Let me go back to the dashboard. I have 4 surveys. I just did that one, and it wiped out all of my surveys. Just did the one, and it wiped out the rest of the surveys. What's up, mama? So, like I said, yeah, I'm doing a video. So, like I said, right now, like father's birthday just got here. About to go have some fun, jump in the pool. Ended up being a hot day. Doesn't look like it's gonna rain. So right now I'm about to just cash out this right here. Like I said, let me go to my earnings right here and just show you guys. Mama. What's up, mama?
Hi.
What's up?
Hi.
That's my mom right there. My dad's in there somewhere over there. Let me go get him. Let me go get him his birthday. Let me get him. Let me get him. See how I pick him up. See that for his birthday? Get a couple balloons, card, some dollars.
That's my mama when you need.
Hey. What's up, birthday boy? Say what's up.
What's up?
Say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up.
What's up? What's up?
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
August 2nd, happy birthday.
All right.
Hey.
Thank you.
That's the fam right there, all right? That's the fam. August 2nd, Pop's birthday.
You show me someone?
If I film video. That's the fam right there. Just wanted to get my dad out there. He always be shy and stuff like that, so you have to get him out there real quick, all right? So right now, $15.50 right here. All right, let me cash this out, all right? Let's cash this out. I told you guys, pay attention to what I'm doing on an every single day basis, people. I'm trying to help you guys earn this income that's coming in. Let me just turn this light on real quick. Turn the light on, get a little better view here. All right. So now, it's getting real hot in here. I think it's 98 degrees in this room. I think it says 95 degrees in this room. All right, $15.50 right here. All right, let's go. Let's cash this out. Every time you're ready to cash out, now quick just run around tutorial. Quick run around tutorial. If this is your first time watching this video, first things first, free online money maker. This is what I do. I help you guys. I show you proof, facts, results. We're not making hundreds and thousands of dollars. We're not going to quit our job doing this, but this is going to put $5, $10, $15, $20, $30 in your pocket every single day that you can use on a daily basis to do whatever you need to do. All right, like this is what you need to be doing, people. Every single day. All right, so let's cash this out. Super hot right now. All right, I'm going to my PayPal right here. Let's cash this out here. All right, cashed it out. All right, cashed out $15.50. All right, just cashed out $15.50. I just shot another video earlier. The files got a little corrupted, so I'm gonna have to do some digging in my computer, clean some things out, fix that to restore that video. I'll probably be posting that video in a couple days. All right, so I have another video that I posted from today. This is my second cash out today. Actually, my 5th cash out today. My other video that I did 4 cash outs. So I am a little upset earlier because I just did that video. I tried to post it and I couldn't post it, so I just did this one. I'll post that in a couple days once I clean up and get that file cleaned up. Like I said, people, it's free online money making. If this is the first time you're watching this video or watching my channel, first time you stumble on anything, first thing first, subscribe, put the notification bells on. Second, people, this is PaidViewPoint. It's a 100% free website. 100% free website, all right? The link's in the description. Use the link. Usually you'll get a bonus, all right? Usually they usually have promo offers at different times going on, and you'll get a bonus. So use my link, right? Now, once you do that, right, the first thing is you're going to want to get your TraitScore to 10,000. It's going to take you like 3 months to get to 10,000. I'm literally going to tell you that. It's going to take you like 3 months no matter what you do probably. Unless they really, depending on your demographics, if they send you like crazy surveys at first and you're doing good, when you have open-ended questions, make sure you give them 2 sentences, 3 sentences. Don't just answer yes, no, maybe. Don't do that. Like, answer the right way. You know what I'm saying? Engage with them. They're going to send you more. This is why you always see me 8 surveys, 5 surveys, 7 surveys, 6 surveys, 4 surveys, 3 surveys. Because they know that I'm going to really do the survey. I'm not playing. They know I'm going to do it. Like, do it. See what I'm saying? So, it's up to you guys. Get it to 10,000. Once you get to 10,000, you're going to get higher paying surveys. And you're going to get surveys every single day. You're going to get more every day. Every day they're going to send you more. Alright? So, just once you get to 10,000, you'll be good. Alright? So, like I said, you see the full-time. You see the lifetime earnings. You see the year-to-date. Alright? Just cashed out $1,550. Alright? It should be in the account maybe by tomorrow. 24 hours probably. It should be in the PayPal. Alright, so like I said, it's free online money maker. Do what you gotta do in your spare time. Alright, my pop's birthday. I'm about to go have fun with the family, go chill out. Continue to be inspired, people. Continue to chase your dreams and do what you gotta do on your spare time. Alright? Free online money maker signing out. Peace.